The others are really dealing with the cases being filed against them. Si Bato cannot.
Yeah, where is he, by the way? Where is Senator Bato?
Dinipensahan ni Babalina Amy Marcos ang kanyang kapwa DDS Senator na si Bato de la Rosa. Ayon kay Babalina, nagtatrabaho pa rin naman daw si Bato, hindi nga lang nagpapakita. So pwede na pala yon. Tinanong pa niya kung bakit daw tineterrorize si Bato. Kung may warrant of arrest naman daw, ilabas na raw. Kaya ngayon, takot na raw yung mamang kalbo at tuluyan nang nagtatago.
Where is he?
We have no clue. Nung una, talagang nagte-text pa yan. Pero ngayon, hindi na namin maabot. Pero yung opisina niya, nakakapagpirma pa rin siya. Nagtatrabaho pa rin. Nagpapadala pa rin ng pirma, nagpa-file pa rin. Kaya, hindi rin naman natin masasabi na hindi nagtatrabaho. He just doesn't turn up.
Okay, all right. Now, I know you have a meeting.
Another mysterious issue because they keep saying the warrant is there. Why don't they bring it out? What are they waiting for if it's there? If it's not there, why are you terrorizing the guy and persecuting all the DDS? I don't understand. Ilabas na ninyo, iserve na ninyo kung talagang nariyan at yung abogado niya ang sasagot. Marahil handa na yan.